Oh, look,
What is up today, guys?
Bloop, 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 bloop.
He's
Bloop,
blinding
bloop,
me,
bloop.
and we're gonna be getting goop. Goop. Also, I don't know why I sound really young for no absolute reason. It's just goop.
He's a 2-year-old.
Yeah, I'm still technically 42.
He's that little 2-year-old in my basement.
Yeah, will you please feed me?
Bro, why? No, you've been a bad boy.
Actually, I don't think you can put goop in bags.
No, you can.
Oh, you can?
You just gotta be Sigma about it.
Is P. Diddy over here?
Bro, I am P.
Let them get on and then just shove them in a wall.
Chat, that's P. Diddy.
P. Diddy! They fixed it! They fixed it! Ah! Stop biting me!
No.
What was that?
Oh, spider!
Oh, God. Spider!
Oh, fiddles.
Oh, fiddles.
Oh, fiddlesticks, I blew up Ming again. Well, time to get a new one.
Well, time to get a new one. It's crazy. Imagine I get a bomb. Shrek!
Oh, no.
Oh
no, a chicken jack.
Guys, watch.
Oh, hell no. Bro,
Chicken jockey! Oh my god. Oh, big backlight. Spider! I wanna tickle you!
You're
Oh, shucks! Oh, shucks! I never knew I'd be tickling a spider. My gosh, Spider, he's been pooping everywhere. His little webs are coming out.
Okay, buddy. That sounded way worse than you probably expected. Anime, you'll have bad luck next 10 years.
Just throw away your pick now. Or if you have one.
I need a pick.
I need a pick. Like coal miners, guys. Like, bro, somebody's a miner. Like a coal miner, bro. Right? Like a coal miner.
I love miners.
Yeah, like a coal miner, right?
No, not like coal miners.
Oh, nah. Yo, have you been a good little boy?
Can you help me? I don't see anything, bro.
Ah, let me help you out some more.
No. Don't waste your pickaxe. I don't have much money. I only have 5 or like 9 billion.
I only have like $6 or $7 billion.
I pressed the button.
I guess it's just us right now.
I am the giant.
I guess Black's it.
Well,
He's been a good little boy though. You have been though. You've been a good little boy. Stop, you're making me laugh. Stop, you're making me laugh. Stop, you're making me laugh. Stop it.
Stop, you're making me spontaneously combust.
Oh, nah.
What if you put it in my bag? Ooh. Yum, 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 yum.
Thanks for the free grappler. Stop, you're making me giggle. Your grappler's all the way up. Stop, you're making me giggle.
Stop, you're making me wiggle.
Oh, nah.
Stop, you're making me flop. Stop, you're making me spontaneous.
I know.
Oh, bro, look, I just swim like that, Bill.
Bro, what the built different?
It's a me.
It's a me, P. Diddy.
It's a me, your father.
Oh, nah. Stop, you're making me jiggle.
Stop, you're making me wiggle. Yo, thank you, bro.
You're welcome. I just learned you can throw them on yourself.
You just learned that.
Yeah, I just learned that I can
all these
also
years-
get you, Dad.
I am your father. Look, I am
Exactly.
your father.
Please let me out of your basement.
Isn't it comfy down there? Like, I was in the basement once.
Yeah, I shouldn't have to go down there.
But it's fun. Bro, actually, come on, we have enough.
No, like actually we
We don't
don't.
need $20,000 in goop.
Yes, we do.
There's more goop in here.
I know. It's because you're making me wiggle. Hey, you know what they say? Make them laugh and do. Make them laugh and do.
Bro, look at this big cheese. He ain't even eating his food. Look at this. Look at this.
It's in his mouth, but he ain't eating it.
Biggie! Eat it! Biggie, eat your food! Don't you eat me, Biggie! I will feed you back! You dare puke out your
I
food!
will give you back to the adoption center. I will give you back to the adoption center.
And I will help sign it!
Bro, we about to be rich in goop, bro.
No, yo! This Biggie thinks he can just automatically feed himself? Feed
Oh, you're
him.
feeding him
Feed him a Nestle Crunch Bar. Stop puking your food!
Get it on you.
Swear, if he doesn't stop puking, if he pukes it up, I'm going to diddle him.
Well, I guess you have to diddle him.
Just well,
I guess you have to diddle him again. Well,
I got one! I'm gonna touch his butt now.
I got two. What?
I guess he's gonna have to bend over. Stop puking! You get eaten. But you're very untasty, though. You're good.
You're in that infinite loop, bro.
I swear. Let me up! Let me! Thank you, good boy.
Chat, we're cooked.
Chat! That Biggie really just took that! I'ma kill him!
Bro,
Biggie, shut up. I'ma kill you. He ate my pickaxe! Bro, how big back do you have to be? Don't drop the soap with this kid.
okay, buddy.
No, I'm being serious, bro.
You don't have to drop the soap in general.
But I think I do.
What, is it fun or something?
It is.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry, bro. It's
You
just
might
fun.
mind me now.
And then we say wobbly woggly, wobbly wiggly, wobbly wiggly, wobbly wiggly, my butt. Whoa! My butthole's He just puked all over you again. What?
No!
Get eaten, love,
Bro, we use his throw up as,
Actually, I never thought about that. Why are we using his puke?
like, why not mine? I can just...
Or like,
generate infinite
I can make it 10 times faster.
Yeah, bro, like that little kid across the street, bro, he gets the best throw, bro. It's always like the gooeyest and widest.
Oh, nah! Bro, he did not like what you said.
Like, bro, it's better than this, bro.
How about I make him puke all over you again?
How about I blow up? How about I spontaneously come...
That's what happens when I see your dad. What? You know you can put it in the bag, right? Like, put the fries in the bag. Did you put the fries in the bag? Oh my god, bro. Why didn't you tell him to put the fries in the bag?
Here, bro, take this and we're...
I'm gonna make him vomit all over you now.
Oh, Phil sticks. Not again.
Oh,
Bro, we're breaking him, bro.
he's breaking slowly.
Vomit out like 5 million people.
You know what? Since you've been, he's gonna puke on you again. See?
Bro,
Because he listens
Bro.
when daddy tells him to.
that goes too far, bro. It's YouTube.
You're getting too zesty, bro. I think we need to put you down. See, exactly. He knows when when he's supposed to puke like a good little boy. Like the kid across the street is the best for getting puke. Like, not gonna lie, the kid across the street gives the best, warmest, tastiest puke ever.
Yeah, bro, it's always that like white puke, bro. It's the best. Like, his is literally the worst.
It literally is, though.
Literally the worst. Oh, maybe he didn't like that. Whoa!
Do you just want to end the video now? Because I really don't want to make a 40-minute long video.
Yeah, just end it.
Well, that's it for today, guys. If you want me to leave his basement, like the video.
Don't